Saturday evening, my fellow dancers. It is myself and, guess who?
Hi there.
Talented Miss Laura. Her and I are again in Herndon, Virginia for our twice a month social dance here in Herndon with the Herndon Social Dancers. This West Coast Swing move is something we've taught in Herndon before. First time this year, so we want to bring it back. Cool move, but it is off of a basic whip. We explained that for the lesson, that it is an 8 count. Guys off the track on 1, 2, she does a coaster, make a pivot turn, and put her back to where the sequence began. We broke that down just briefly to get to the fancy move. But the fancy move starts in a different place. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Guys off the track, we'll go front to back just so you can see that. We're 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now on 5, I turn her to her right like I would normally do. But my 6th count, guys, is you're going to step your left foot behind your right for 6. Now she's going to naturally do that because that's how she would take her normal step. But by 6 for me, I'm getting ready to do something. And that's where I create the slide. So we're going to get to 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Now I'm going to step back on my left foot on 6. I'm getting ready to compress my foot into the ground because I'm literally going to push myself to the right off of that foot for 7. 7. And when I do that, if I have a good connection with my follow, she's going to push off her opposite foot and slide her right foot. So look what it looks like when you flow together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you end up not counting that and 8 count as a triple. You're just taking the slide into account. So going front to back, so you can see the slide. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So when I step on my right foot on 7, I just hold it for and 8, and she does the same thing that way. Let's go this other direction so you can see that.
Okay.
Slide, and shoulder push, bring forward. 5 and 6, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So if you stay still with that, she should stay still as well. And I kind of prepare myself, and for her, she's going to feel me kind of tense up my body, because I'm getting ready when we get to 5, 6, she's feeling me compress, because I want to push back, not real far, I don't want to jump, but I want to slide, because that slide is what's cool. Okay, especially if you get a break in the music. So once you get to that point, it is your basic tuck. So after the slide, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then the tuck. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Or whatever you want to do, other tuck options or whatever things you choose from. Okay, so front to back, all the way through, shoulder push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Pull it forward, do a tuck, let her go through. One more time this direction, and then we're out of your way. Shoulder push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thank you for coming tonight. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk into a tuck, turn. And that's the move. It's a cool move. That slide takes time. If you hold her good and well, and you push, she should go with you. It creates a nice element to your dancing. Thank you, my dear.
Thanks, Tim.
Thanks, guys. Hope you like that. Remember, click subscribe every week, sometimes twice a week. We have a move for you that we love for you to use next time you go dancing. So until then, have a great week. Keep dancing.